Alright people, today we're going to be removing 4 tires and assemblies off of an 1810 scraper pan, getting it prepped to replace all these bearings and seals because they're starting to go out. One on the other side I showed you in an earlier video, it's already gone. It blew the whole assembly up. So we're going to have to replace that whole assembly. But these other 3 we can just go ahead and replace the seals and bearings and be done with it. A couple of things we're going to need. We're going to need a real close cousin of a good old smoke wrench, old 1-inch Thunder Gun. This is about 1 3/8 or 35 millimeter. Take your pick. You got one on top, one on bottom, 2 of them. One set on each side holds this joker on. You take those off, roll straight out the back. Now, these right here, once you get the bolts done on both of these inners, you have to come out here with an excavator or something, some other kind of lifty boy, pick this up and it rolls out the back. All right, so we're gonna get these jokers ripped off. We'll get back with you. Now, here we go, we're ready to lift. Oh, we're gonna do these one at a time. There's one. Here's the one that's really goobered up.
Hey, that rattles.
All right, folks. We got them all 4 out. These right here aren't gone yet, but they're getting there. I'll show you an example of one that's still in good shape here in a second. But all of these are going to get rebuilt. And then this one is going to get a full replacement. Here, you can see one that's still in good shape. You got no slop, no wobble. Now, obviously it's brand new, but it's been taken care of as well.